Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go show you how to deactivate your PlayStation 5 and PS4 from being a primary console using your Android phone or your iPhone. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you activated your console as primary and you gave it away or you sold it and you want to deactivate it remotely, how would you go ahead and do that using your phone? Now on the PlayStation 5, this is called console sharing in offline play. Now using your phone, this is very easy to do. So let's go over to my phone right now. Then on your phone, you want to go to the Google Play Store or the iPhone Store and select this. Then at the top, go to PlayStation app and just type that in. I'm going to select it because I just searched for it. And then this is the PlayStation app and this is what it looks like. Go ahead and install this on your phone and open this up. Now I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my email address and my password associated with my account. Then go to the settings section right next to the bell icon and select that. Then under settings, let's scroll on down until we get to PlayStation Network. Now you can choose account information, privacy settings. Just choose one of these options under here. So I'm going to choose privacy settings. Now you may have to sign in once again. Then in the upper left side of the screen, there is 3 lines. Go ahead and select that and you should have an option on the left side of the screen now up here. Scroll on down under this list until you get to other settings and go to device management. Select that, then go to PlayStation consoles. Under here, you should see your PlayStation 4 on top and then your PlayStation 5. Now you can select this and rename your PlayStation. So let's go back now. Then at the bottom it says you can deactivate devices that you no longer have by selecting deactivate all devices at the bottom. So let's select deactivate all devices right here. And this says all devices that you are activated on, your account will be deactivated. No, you can only do this once every 6 months. So you'll have to wait 6 months. So to play games on a deactivated console, you'll need to reactivate it. Otherwise, you're going to be playing offline pretty much. So do you want to deactivate all your devices? Go to yes, and this will deactivate your PS4 and PS5 and any device under that screen. You can't individually deactivate a console using this app or using the websites. So once you do that, you'll have to go back to your new PlayStation and reactivate it as primary. And you'll be good to go, and you've just done this remotely. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.